December corn closed marginally higher, actually moderately higher. That is now 3 higher days in a row after corn at the end of last week had 2 consistent closes below the 50-day moving average, looking like it may try to break out to the downside. The last 3 days have negated that a little bit. And with today's close, that closed right on top of the 100-day moving average. So pretty impressive turnaround here for the corn contract in the last 3 days. It is now, however, hitting the top end of the downward trending channel that it has been in. So it is sitting at another key level of resistance. It'll be interesting to see where it goes from here. CONAB, the Brazilian reporting agency, it's sort of their equivalent to our USDA. And by the way, it is pronounced CONAB, not CONAB, as we've been saying for years. That was clarified for me by one of the members of the USDA. Either way, CONAB increased their corn production for both 2024 and 2025. Maybe the bigger deal there is the 2024-25, for both 24-25 and 25-26. Maybe the bigger deal there is the 24-25 production, which now stands at 141 million metric tons. That is notable because the USDA is still currently looking at 135 million metric tons. And the USDA historically, or at least for the last few years, has generally held a number higher than CONAB's number. So that makes you wonder, in the midst of a government slowdown or shutdown, if ultimately the USDA might have to raise that Brazilian crop from last year as well. In the meantime, our harvest is rolling along in the Midwest. Lots of harvest progress being done. We were focusing on soybeans, but now that has shifted a bit more towards corn. So we're wondering if we will see some farmer sales pressuring the market here in the next coming weeks. So do keep an eye out for that. There's a lot going on in the corn market right now. So stay tuned and you stay safe.